Indeed, Pakistan did not cause living with it, and that's exactly how those who are affected feel today. Lastly, considering the forecast of further intense rains and the downstream threat to Sindh, how is the UN planning to support displaced communities that are already displaced and coordinate with the Pakistani government to mitigate the humanitarian crisis that we are seeing right now?
So the UN is here to support both in the response and in the recovery agenda. We've always been with Pakistan in 2022, in 2010, in big crises the country has faced in terms of climate or earthquakes in the past. We're here to support both in the immediate response, to support provincial responses. I personally work very closely with NDMA. I see the chairman of the NDMA nearly on a daily basis. So we are ready. We have a contingency plan in place to both backstop government efforts. The government is already doing incredible job around evacuation. I saw it myself in Punjab, especially the Punjab government, provincial government. I know Sindh has prepared significantly and learned the lessons to a certain extent. But we will see in the next couple of days. We will see how, when the water reaches Sindh, how that will look like. But the UN is ready. Our team is fully ready. The minute the government asks us to come in to support, we'll be there behind the governments, both at the provincial and the federal level.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।